Hey friends, if you wish to lock a Word document with a password, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So I have a Word document here and I wish to lock it with the password so that no one else can check it. I'll click on File, I will select Info, I will select Protect Document, and now I have many options here. One is to always open it as read only, one is to restrict editing, and one is to encrypt it with a password. So I can encrypt it with a password. All I need to do is add a password here. Other than this, I can restrict editing and it will mention the kind of editing restrictions. So let's say that it says that no changes can be made, same as read only. Or second one is that no one can change the comments. For example, if you are editing a document, you don't want anyone to edit the edits. And then you can also create exceptions, like if there's some person who can edit it. The next one is, I'll show you, to add a digital signature. Okay, and this means that you have added some integrity to the document, and people know that this has been created by you. And if you select this one, let the readers know that the document is final. Okay, so now changes cannot be made. They may be made, but there will be a mark that this one was the final change. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.